Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to show you men the way to make over $1,000 in line with Day Online. Step by using step in 2019, so that is something which you have in no way seen before men, so make certain to observe this video until cease, and also in case you are new to my YouTube channel guys, ensure to press that subscribe button because I have an everyday content material on this channel for free on the way to make money online, so that you don't need to miss that out. So ensure to press that subscribe button guys, so allows or directly into this video. So what are you going to analyze on this video? What is this video approximately? So first factor, I'm going to expose you men a way to make money with affiliate advertising, however something that you haven't seen earlier, then because that is excessive tickets offer. So what this indicates, for one sale you could earn huge commissions men, so this is why I told you guys to observe this video till cease. So I am also going to give an explanation for you men if you are new to associate advertising. So essentially, what's associate advertising and marketing, I am going to reveal you guys how it works, and additionally I am going to expose you men the way to get paid with this affiliate advertising program. So make positive to look at this video until end guys. So the affiliate network that we are going to use is referred to as Regal Property. So basically what this associate application is about, its miles approximately making an investment men. So basically, when if you invests in it, let's consider cryptos, or shall we embrace gold or something like that, you are going to earn 3% commission on that. So I am going to give an explanation for you men the entirety why this associate software is the satisfactory for you guys to get started out with, due to the fact you may get massive large commissions. So to show you guys an example, so for each confirmed lead you are going to earn 100. So only for lead you learn 100 right here can see for each sales. So basically, whilst some invests cash, let's consider in gold or permits, say cryptos or Bitcoin or something like that, you are going to earn 3% on that funding. And right here you could see generally every funding is around $65,000. So you are going to burn, so 3% of 65 is $1950. So that is how an awful lot you are going to earn on common on each investment guys. And this is in reality large factor, due to the fact you can also get wad tires. So whilst someone recommends that buy from you, when someone recommends to other humans, so you're also going to earn commission on that. So this is certainly crazy men. So to show guys this sense network how you can join up, just click right here on be part of as affiliate, and essentially what you need to do is you want to pressure traffic to this touchdown page, and when someone enters here their call email deal with and call variety, the sales group goes to touch the fellow that requests this unfastened child. So basically you ship human beings to this touchdown page, they input their call electronic mail address, income group contacts the contacts your lead, and if they buy something from this affiliate network you'll earn 3. You will also earn $100 fee according to lead, and you are going to earn lots of money. So essentially, to provide an explanation for you guys how affiliate advertising works, so shall we say that is your senior in your investment. So let's consider you send human beings to this touchdown web page. So that is, let's assume a few your, and also you send them to any web page. So out of your touchdown web page, of what takes place is they're going to go into their email address and get in touch with quantity, and income crew goes to touch your lead. So when sound buys, and as I show you men, generally on average funding human beings make investments around $65,000. So allows, say your sale is 65, okay, you'll earn 3 on that. That's clearly $1,950. So let's consider we're going to position right here 2,000 greenbacks. So generally per lead you are going to 1,000 to other spies, and this is why I love those high ticket offers, because for a small sale, for now not small sale but for one sale, you can earn virtually excessive commissions. So that is how this works. So you power traffic to this landing page, humans input their email deal with the name, and in the event that they invest cash in, let's assume known as crypto or some watches, as you may see they have a few investments in watches. So basically you are going to earn commission on that. You are going to stop loose percent pre-sale, and you are going to earn $100 per lead. So this is how you may, without difficulty, make 1,000 greenbacks per day. I wanted to also show you men this is surely motivating, so you can see the largest commission on this website was. So the most important funding became a $3 million, and the most important commission changed into $90,000. So imagine just from this isn't going to be. Generally you are not going to make this a great deal, because that is the most important sale ever in this website. However, just imagine from one sale, from one lead, from one man or woman, that investment invested $3 million. A person earned $90,000 commission simply from one sale. That is sincerely actually loopy, men, but this isn't going to show up to you probable because this came about as soon as in a lifetime, and also you cannot simply anticipate that excessive of an investment. It could manifest, however, as you can see in sales that associate to draw reality to this website is $300 million, men, and commissions paid to associates is almost 11 million greenbacks. So that is honestly a large commissions. Men, believe what number of people have made a lot of cash with this internet site. So this is, as I said, an investment employer, and basically what they do is they want humans to invest cash in their let's assume in your stocks or Bitcoin or valuable metals or cryptos or watches, and once they do so, you're going to earn a fee. So that you can see how maximum successful affiliates are, how plenty most success affiliates are making. So you could see one associate earned $100,000 in an unmarried month, other associate $90,000 in an unmarried month, other 150,000 greenbacks, and this may show up with simplest. Let's see 3 or 4 leads you do not want to attract. Let's assume hundreds of leads you are not doing. Excessive price tag gives you're doing, actually you are now not doing, sorry, small price tag offers you are doing it, offers wherein you will learn a lot of cash according to fee. So this is how you could make a variety of money with associate advertising, guys. And also, if you want to see how you can make money, how you may power site visitors, we attempt, you need to pressure, because not everybody am going to invest cash, no longer all and sundry. I am interested in investing money. You need to locate the right individual which might be inquisitive about making an investment cash in, let's say, precious metals, as I stated, or permits, say on cryptos or bitcoins, watches. So you want precise centered audience. So if you need to see a video on how you can find the ones people, men, make certain to go away a like button, press that like button due to the fact this is going to notify me that you need to see component 2 of this video, and also make sure to press that subscribe button, and additionally type in a comment which you want to appear element 2 of this video, guys. And additionally, as I said, it is honestly easy. It's also loose to join up for this affiliate program. Just click here on be a part of as associate. So this is basically it. You do not want to pay for whatever it is, largely free, due to the fact you are likely going to lead them to money, and you are going to earn money with associate advertising and marketing. So you don't need to pay for registration for this website, guys. So as I said, if you need to see part 2, make sure to go away a comment down under, press that like button. And also, guys, in case you want to peer a live stream for the way to make money with affiliate marketing, that might be the first hyperlink in description, men. So if you are interested by that, make certain to take a look at that out, guys. Thank you for watching. See you quickly, and bye.